Hey gang, Poppy here. My wife's asleep. Uh, I ran out of space on the computer while I was recording machining this, but I finished it off camera. How's that for a fit? Yeah. Hey gang, this is my left hand, so it must be Poppy's workshop. Currently, I'm recording this. You see this over here on the screen. This is a little itty bitty endoscope, USB endoscope I've got through my spindle, and the through jaw chuck is holding it. Um, I got a pretty, you know, pretty nice picture. Unfortunately, I'll capture this later, put it up with this. I don't have crosshairs, so that don't help. Yeah, I'm able to see the head of this screw very well. Alright. But for location, XY coordinate location, I want there to be a crosshair here. I have to cogitate on this. Swap this out. Oh, stay on the bench, you. One of them tools just doesn't want to stay on the freaking bench. It's jumping off every chance it gets. Okay. Now I'm swapping out for my red dot laser positioning device. That's right. In order to do this, I have to gotta feed it backward. Oh, come on, you. There, now, I put my red dot laser, you can't see it here. Now, see, this laser here, you saw I focused it down to the tightest dot I can get, and it's too fat. I need like 1/1000th of an inch diameter. Were I to put X marks the spot here, I'd want to put 1/1000th of an inch red dot in the middle of that intersection. Too coarse. Come on there. Now this, that's where I started first, was the red dot. I got a laser bore sighter. It goes all the way up, fits nice. I can even rotate the spindle. I figured 1 centimeter at 100 meters, it could no. So I got a mammography aperture. Basically is a 50 micron pinhole mounted in a piece of copper, just the right size. Itty bitty little red dot I could not see. Let's see. This thing out here, I'm gonna go get it. Right back. Oh, puppy's poor arthritic body. Okay, it's in the chest. Ah. Okay, I'm back. This is the laser bore sighter I speak of. You see it. All right, now I'll crank this way up. I'll take the chuck off. And now, up here, and I even made a tool, a drawing bar for it. And now, I'll view. Okay, that is the red dot. That's as good as it freaking gets. You know, this is way too coarse, even if I spin it. Like I said, I placed a 50 micron aperture here, and it came down really small, but I couldn't see the red dot unless it was, you know, midnight, no moon, no lights, no stars. So that was a bust. Come on, you turn off. There. This laser bore sighter is rather difficult to turn on and off. So as you see, I've been pursuing some high-tech solutions for putting, you know, exactly on X marks the spot. I still think a laser. Any of you out there who know of a laser that can go into this 3/8 through hole in the spindle, or attached to a 3/4 16 thread, and I can put a 1,000th of an inch red dot where X marks the spot. And when you consider that the average scribe line made with, where is it? It was just here the other day. Anyway, the average scribe line you make with a Starrett pocket scribe is 3 to 5 thousandths of an inch wide. You put that 1,000th of an inch in the middle of the intersection, you know you're in good positioning. And only 12 minutes here. So what am I going to do, people? Someone out there must have a solution for my problem. Send me a comment. I definitely will check it out.